guys, I'm gonna be reading Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Got from my library. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald. What do you want to do today? I want, yes. A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Achoo! Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop. Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then we cannot be near each other. Then we cannot be best friends. Then we must be apart forever! But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Goodbye, Gerald. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay. Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze! And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats can make me sneeze too. Thump. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. The end. Hope you liked Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Hope you like them. Hope you read more books. Keep reading. It's good for you. Yeah.